Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're missing the open with option in the context menu on Windows 10. So if you try and open up a file or something and you want to right click on it and you don't see an open with option, this tutorial will be for you, assuming that the option is applicable for whatever you guys are trying to open. So in order to resolve this, we're going to open up the start menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back with regedit. You want to right click on it, left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, left click on yes. Now I'd always suggest making a backup of your registry before you really do anything, so I would recommend going up to the file tab at the top, left click on export. After you've clicked on the file tab, name this file whatever you want. I'm going to call it backup. I'm going to save it to my desktop, left click on save. And then if you ever needed to go back and change something, so if something was wrong and you have to go back to the original version, go up to the File tab and then do Import instead. So right now it's just making the backup of the registry. That's why it looks like it's about to be non-responsive, but basically right now it's just creating the backup that we just set for the desktop. And like I said, if you want to undo what you did, just do File, Import, and then just navigate over and grab it from our locations, and I saved it on my desktop. So pretty straightforward. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, we're going to navigate over to HKey classes root. So either double click on this folder or left one little arrow next to it to expand. Now you want to expand the little asterisk sign that should be the first folder, more than likely underneath HKey classes root. And now you want to expand the shell EX folder. So shell EX, you can make this a little wider over here as well so you can see where we're going. And then you want to go underneath content menu handlers. So just left click on this folder one time. Now you want to right click on the folder itself right here. Left click on new and then left click on key. And now in this new key you want to name it open with. Hit enter. If you get any errors about saying there's a duplicate file, that means that there's already one already in here, so that means you should not create it again. So once you've done that, there should also be a default value on the right side. So you want to double click on the default value in order to edit the value. So I'm actually going to have something in the description of the video I want you guys to paste into this value data box. So I'm going to paste it in here, and then I'm going to left click on OK. Once you have it pasted in, it should be showing up over here as well. So once you've done that, you want to close out of the registry editor. So if you close out of here, and then if you went over to any programs or pictures, there should be an option to open with. Now I didn't use the best examples in this tutorial because some folders there will not be an open with option, but if you have different files on here, so that wasn't the best example that I used originally, but let's say I created a new file. So let's call it Word, and then I right clicked on it. There you go, there should be something that says open with here. So pretty straightforward. I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.